Ever looked at your phone, opened Cash App, and thought, I wish I could do this on my computer? You're not alone. For years, Cash App has been a mobile-only platform, but that's changing. In this video, we're diving deep into how you can finally access your Cash App online. Let's face it, sometimes a bigger screen is just easier. Maybe you want to manage your finances, check your transaction history without squinting, or simply prefer the comfort of your laptop. Well, good news. Cash App has listened to its users and introduced an online platform. But before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. Traditionally, mobile apps have dominated the financial tech world. They're convenient, sure, but they also have their limitations. Screen size, battery life, and even the sheer number of apps on your phone can be a hassle. An online platform offers a fresh perspective. Okay, let's get down to business. How do you actually access Cash App online? First things first, you'll need a computer and an internet connection. Sounds obvious, right? But it's important to establish that. Next, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other you like. In the address bar, type in cash.app. Hit enter. You should now be on the Cash App login page. This is where you'll enter the phone number or email associated with your Cash App account. It's the same login information you use on the app. Once you've entered your details, tap Sign In. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you'll need to verify your identity. This is an extra security measure to protect your account. Don't worry, it's a quick process. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Cash App online dashboard. It might look a bit different from the app, but the core functionalities are the same. You can send and request money, check your balance, view your transaction history, and even transfer money to your bank account. One thing to note is that while you can do most things online, some features might still be exclusive to the app. For instance, you might not be able to activate your cash card or set up direct deposit through the web platform. But for the most part, you'll have access to the features you use daily. Now, let's talk about security. Using Cash App online is just as secure as using it on your phone. Cash App employs robust security measures to protect your financial information. However, it's always a good practice to be cautious. Avoid sharing your login details with anyone, and be wary of suspicious links or emails. So, there you have it. Accessing your Cash App online is now a reality. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual looking for a bigger screen or someone who simply prefers to manage their finances on a computer, this new feature is a game-changer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cashing.